I believe I have successfully fixed the leak out of this brand new T50-12 booster that was unfortunately made incorrectly at the factory by ATE. And you may have seen a previous video where it was seeping out of this hole right here when it was in use. So we're going to go ahead and test the booster. Oh, one other point, most boosters have a test fitting right here. For some reason ATE did not put that test fitting in there, and what that does is allows me to use both of my vacuum gauges, but in this instance the other vacuum gauge hose is not able to be hooked up, so you'll just see the absolute vacuum as opposed to the vacuum differential from pressure from either side of the diaphragm. So, got full vacuum. Again, what we're looking for here is this is our input hydraulic, and these two gauges are linked together. As this gauge goes up and maxes out, this gauge takes over and reads final input pressure, which is merely a function of my master cylinder here and what the unit can produce. And the output pressure, these two gauges are again tied together. This maxes out and this reads final output pressure. And this booster is I believe it's a 3-to-1 boost ratio. Let's see. So when we get 350, we're going to at least, I know we'll have at least double pressure here. So we get 750. We could be well up to 1200 in terms of the final boost pressure. Come down here. No leakage. No drop in pressure. Let's recycle it. We got a good booster. What I did find is that long-term storage, they did not protect the threads down here, so we had rust on this cast iron part as it's screwed into the faceplate. So I've done some rust protection there. The inside of the slave cylinder was slightly rusted down here as well. Cleaned that out, and then I machined inside here and remade parts and shimmed everything up to make sure it's going to fit properly. So we now can fix the brand new defective ATE T-50 and T50-12 boosters.